Make a great choice today with the 2017 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.